Discover how this massive ocean farm revolutionizes sustainable seafood. A master sushi chef expertly slices premium bluefin tuna. Kenji carefully tends to a massive muscular Wagyu cow. Rolling green tea plantations rest beneath magnificent Mount Fuji. Workers roll out massive nets to shade the tea.
Shaded matcha leaves shimmer with fresh, vibrant morning dew.
Automated machines smoothly harvest the top leaves of tea. Fresh green tea leaves pour into the collection truck. Steam billows as fresh tea leaves are perfectly processed. Heavy stone mills grind dried leaves into fine matcha.
Hot water pours gracefully to create frothy matcha tea.
Kenji stands proudly in a stunning flooded rice paddy. He carefully holds a lush mat of rice seedlings.
An automated transplanter plants perfect rows of green rice.
A vast golden rice field sways in the breeze. A modern combine harvester cuts through the golden waves. Freshly harvested rice grains pour smoothly into the truck. Glowing shine muscat grapes hang beautifully from the vine. Kenji delicately thins unripe grapes on the sunlit trellis.
Grape bunches rest inside protective white paper bags above.
Aki precisely tests the sugar content of the grape. Immaculate shine muscat grapes rest beautifully on a tray. Sleek bluefin tuna swim powerfully inside the giant net. Fishermen work together to haul a massive bluefin tuna. Hundreds of frozen bluefin tuna line the auction hall. A skilled chef delicately slices ruby red premium tuna. Muscular Wagyu cattle chew golden hay inside the barn. Kenji gently massages the Wagyu cow with a brush. He feeds the Wagyu cow beer to stimulate appetite. Premium Wagyu beef carcasses hang inside a chilled locker. Intricate white fat marbling runs through vivid pink meat. A chef cooks marbled Wagyu beef on a grill. A colossal high-rise pig farm stands in mountains. Endless clean metal pens hold perfectly healthy pink pigs. Automated tubes drop precise golden grain for the pigs. Aki scans a digital microchip on a pig ear. Pristine white button mushrooms grow inside a dark room. A robotic arm delicately picks a single white mushroom. A worker carefully sorts freshly picked white mushrooms indoors.
Towering sunflowers face the sun under a blue sky.
A massive combine harvester separates valuable black sunflower seeds. Shiny sunflower seeds pour heavily into a transport bin. Rosy pink peaches glow warmly inside the lush orchard. Kenji gently plucks a perfectly ripe pink honey peach. A perfect peach rests inside a bright yellow basket. An endless field of crimson red chili peppers stretches. A tractor harvests bright red peppers from green stems.
A chef vigorously stirs red chilies in roaring flames.
Spicy Chinese fish is covered in rich red sauce. Fuzzy brown kiwi fruits hang beneath a lush green canopy. Workers gently snap ripe kiwi fruits from the sprawling vines. An advanced robotic machine autonomously picks the ripe kiwis. A towering green cornfield sways gently in the wind. A combine harvester cuts through tall, dried corn stalks easily. Golden corn kernels pour aggressively into a transport trailer. Fresh green coriander plants grow in perfectly straight lines. A cutting machine neatly slices the green coriander herbs.
An autonomous robot plants green seedlings in muddy paddies.
Sleek drones fly low and spray mist over crops. A glowing digital grid overlays the green agricultural field. A giant sprinkler system sprays water across the field. A heavy machine shakes the trunk of an almond tree.
Thousands of brown almonds rain down onto the ground.
A blue harvester drives over bushy green olive trees. Tiny transparent glass eels swim frantically in the tank.
Aki carefully transfers a transparent glass eel for testing.
Thousands of dark Japanese eels slither in the pool. Hungry eels quickly swarm to nibble the nutrient dough. Dark eels swim rapidly through a transparent water pipe. Dark gray eels freeze inside a massive ice bin. A skilled worker swiftly slices open a dark eel. Pale white eel fillets move along a conveyor belt. Eel fillets sizzle intensely over glowing hot red charcoals. A metal drum coats grilled eels in sweet sauce.
Glazed pieces of kabiyaki eel move down the rack. Grilled eel slices top a bed of white rice.
Thin eel bones are violently deep-fried in oil.
A wooden spoon lifts steaming rich eel bone broth. A packaging machine precisely seals the glossy eel fillets. Aki places a premium eel box onto the pallet.